You watching Top 5 Best Ergonomic Keyboards. Number 5. Microsoft Natural 4000. Compatible operating systems, Mac. Bluetooth, battery and multi-channel Bluetooth 3.0, range, 30 feet battery, rechargeable lithium polymer battery life. Single battery charge should exceed 300 hours of actual typing or at least 6 months of use at 2 hours of typing per day. Multi-channel, switch instantly between 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices. Key switch peak force, 44 grams, activation force, 35 grams, travel distance, 3.9 millimeters, switch type, rubber dome, membrane. Dimensions, max separation measured between inside edge of each module, 9 inches, measured between outside edge of each module, min, 15.375 inches, max, 23.50 inches. Distance between F and J keys, min, 3.50 inches, max, 11.50 inches, depth, 7.125 inches, palm supports installed, 10 inches, max height, 0.875 inches, weight, 2 pounds, USB charging cable length, 6 feet. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue. Split adjustable design allows the Freestyle 2 to adjust to your body, extended 20 separation. Multi-channel Bluetooth for pairing with any Bluetooth-enabled device, e.g., MacBook, iPad, iPhone, and iMac etc. Compatible with Mac OS X 10.4 and newer and iOS devices. Low force, tactile key switches. Compatible accessories, palm supports, VIP3 and V3 lifters for tenting, and numeric keypad. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic. Split key set design helps to position wrists and forearms in a natural, relaxed position. Cushioned palm rest provides support and promotes a neutral wrist position. Domed keyboard design positions wrists at a natural, relaxed angle. Separate number pad provides greater flexibility for workspace setup. Natural arc key layout mimics the curved shape of the fingertips. Sit key set design helps to position wrists and forearms in a natural, relaxed position. Cushioned palm rest provides support and promotes a neutral wrist position. PL. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Logitech MK550 Wireless. Ergonomic wave design. The MK550 uses Logitech's constant curve layout for reduced stress and better, more natural typing. The layout is familiar, so there is little to no learning curve to begin using it fluidly. Integrated palm rest. Experience lower wrist fatigue with the integrated palm rest. 3 options for leg height allow you to adjust the keyboard to the height that feels most comfortable to you. Precision laser mouse. Say goodbye to your touchpad with the included MK510 Precision Laser Mouse. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Kinesis Advantage2 QD. Dual Legend QWERTY Dvorak keycaps for Dvorak typists, onboard Dvorak layout. Professional grade ergonomic keyboard with patented contour design for maximum comfort. New Smart Set programming engine with onboard remapping and macros, driverless. New mechanical function row keys, Cherry ML tactile switches. Windows, Mac, and PC/Linux and Android compatible. Please check the description for details and update price.